Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into a topic that's all about intelligence, confidence, and strategy. How to connect with wealthy individuals without coming across as opportunistic. Let's get right into it with the first tip. Wealthy people value discretion and authenticity, so it's crucial to approach them in high-quality, natural environments where conversation flows easily. Think upscale social events like charity galas, art exhibitions, or wine tastings. Private clubs or members-only spaces like Soho House or exclusive gyms are also great settings. Business or networking events, investment seminars, and luxury travel spots like first-class lounges or high-end resorts are perfect places to connect. But avoid cold approaching them at banks or luxury car dealerships. They might feel targeted because of their wealth. Wealthy individuals are used to people trying to impress them, so stand out by being intriguing, not desperate. Dress well. Think understated luxury, not flashy labels. Remember, body language matters. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile subtly. Have a conversation starter ready. For example, at an art gallery you might say, "I noticed you spent a while at this piece. Do you collect artist style or just admire it?" Wealthy people often value intelligence, curiosity, and passion over flattery. Keep the conversation light but meaningful. Talk about travel, culture, business trends, or philanthropy. Avoid talking about money or asking what they do unless they bring it up first. Make the conversation reciprocal. Share interesting insights, not just questions. Wealthy circles rely on trust and reputation, so be introduced by a mutual connection whenever possible. That's the best way in. Mention high-status affiliations subtly, like "I was at a prestigious event last month." Show you belong by speaking confidently about luxury experiences without bragging. If the conversation goes well, don't chase, attract. Exchange contact info naturally, like "I'd love to hear more about your work and industry. Here's my card." Follow up with value. Send an article related to your discussion. Suggest a low-pressure meetup like coffee, a private gallery viewing, or a niche event. Never text repeatedly if they don't respond or ask for favors or expensive dates early on. Wealthy people often have many suitors and limited time. Don't rush intimacy or exclusivity. Build trust by being reliable and interesting. Let them invest in you. First their time and attention, then resources. The goal isn't to land a rich partner, but to naturally connect with successful people by being someone they respect and enjoy. Work on yourself first. Focus on personal growth, career passions, appearance, grooming, and social skills. All right, everyone, remember, patience is key. It's all about building genuine connections in the right circles. Focus on being the best version of yourself, and the right opportunities will follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.